It's really important with jawline filler to always make sure that the volume's in the right spot, because often we can have a bit of genetic sort of pre-platysmal fat or a double chin. So it's really important, particularly in profile and in 2D really, but in profile just to have as little amount of a double chin as possible, which we would dissolve through another treatment. But for the purely defined and lovely jawline for a female, we want a really strong jaw in order to disperse that volume in the mid-cheek. So by giving a female jaw some definition, it makes that buccal hollowing or that pre-auricular area look far thinner by giving a jaw. The ratio of her nose to her jaw looks better, and to her chin. So in general, she just looks sharper featured. A good example is Bella Hadid, who has done some very defined jaw work, it would seem, and so she's very, very hollow through her pre-auricular or buccal hollowing as well. So it just makes women look far thinner and more structured in profile.